Hi friends, welcome to Science Academy. If you are planning to start a company, you need a unique name for that. You can check your proposed name in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs website and check whether it is available or not. For that, first we need to go to the website mca.gov.in. In that website, go under the MCA services. Click on that. In that, company services. Under that, click the first option, check company name. Under check company name, type any name you want. Just I'm going to demonstrate by using a name friend. Active to type. Active to type is the section or the field your company is going to operate. I'm going to enter media. Click search. You can see that it has been already taken by another company which is already incorporated in 1998. If you apply for that, you couldn't get that one. So you can check for another names and find a unique name so that your application will not be rejected. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for future videos. Thank you.